Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little spring refresh of this guest / powder bath that we have downstairs. This is just a half bath, and as you can tell from this before shot, it's very plain, it's very builder grade, and I haven't done almost anything down here yet. I do have long-term plans to hopefully replace the vanity toilet paint, do some fun things in here and make it really pretty and elegant. But for now, I decided to do a little budget, very inexpensive spring refresh in here to make things cheerful and make it a more pleasant place to be in and just make things super fun and fresh for spring. I was very inspired by this striped bath mat I will show you in a moment from Target, and I just loved the pastel bright and fresh colors for spring and Easter time, and it inspired basically what I did with the rest of the bathroom, and I sort of built off of that color palette. But I feel like this is a great example of how sometimes even if you have long-term plans for a space, in the meantime it can be really simple and inexpensive to just give it a tiny little facelift on a super small budget to make things just happy and more fun in the meantime. So I love the little transformation that happened in here, and I hope you enjoy this little decorate with me. So I got this little peachy pink hand towel from Target, and I thought it was so pretty and soft, and brought out all the pretty pink colors of the rug. And I also grabbed this Mrs. Meyer's mint hand soap. I love the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap in general, but I specifically grabbed this scent so that it brought out the aqua in the rug. And basically what I did is I just grabbed those few new things, the hand soap, the towel, the rug from Target, and I combined it with these things, whatever I could find that I already had on hand. I have this Grove Collaborative Rose candle. That was a limited edition scent. I got that a year or two ago. And this little Bless This Nest sign from Joann's a year or two ago. Unfortunately, those things aren't available anymore. But yeah, basically it's sort of how I do any project, but all I did was grab a few new and fresh things, and then I searched for what I could find that I already had around the house that would go with everything. And I was so excited when I was sorting through my drawer and I found that little sign, because I felt like that was just perfect to tie in all the colors together with the aqua and the pink and the peach on it. So this is a little wooden tray that I already had around the house, and a little gold tray that I had kind of stuck onto the top of it with some painter's putty. You'll see that I just play around a lot with the little decor in the corner until I'm happy with it. That is how I do almost all of my home decor, is I try a million different things until I'm actually happy with it, which usually takes a lot of tweaking. And then once I'm finally happy with it, then like I'm done. But sometimes I'll still change it in the next day or two, just depending on if I feel like it looks good or not. But you will see my process where I try a bunch of different things. I ended up switching out that big wooden tray with just this little pink one over here. I feel like I maybe got that at the Target dollar spot a year or two ago, maybe around Valentine's Day. I honestly don't really remember, but I felt like it looked better over there and a little bit smaller. The wood was just not really working in this room. It was just looking too dark, so I just keep playing around with it until I like it. So I decided I wanted a little faux flower in here, and luckily I had already this little light peach color rose that I had gotten before. I can't remember where, and it was like almost the exact same color as the hand towel, so I thought it was perfect. And I just bent the little stems up so I didn't have to cut them, and I just put it in a little glass vase, and I play around with the placement a lot until I am happy with it. So I got this really cute little hanging sign on a garden stake from the Target dollar spot, and I play around with it a lot in here, but I don't end up using it because it just didn't work. But I do think it's super cute, and I'm going to use it somewhere else in the house. I just play around with it. It says "Love grows here," and I think that's so cute. But like I said, I just decided I didn't love it in here. So I forgot that I actually had this matching mint Mrs. Meyer's room freshener upstairs in our other bathroom. So I went ahead and I brought that down so that it would match with the mint hand soap that I have in here and all the colors. And I tried to see if it looks cute on the counter at first, but it ended up just being a little bit too busy. So I decided to grab a little basket and set that on top of the toilet with extra toilet paper for any guests and any that they might need, as well as this room freshener. And I put it all in there, and it ended up working just perfectly for that. So now I want to show you guys the final reveal. I totally love how everything turned out, and I feel like it just looks so much brighter and happier in here. And I love that it was just done with a very small budget. So I hope you love the after as much as I do.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden.
So that was it for this little powder room bathroom decorate with me. I hope you guys had fun watching the process, and I will be back soon with more spring decorate with me videos in the next week or two, and I hope you guys come back for those. Definitely subscribe if you are new and you're interested in home decor and organization content, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose